Alright, so the plan for today is possibly paint the center console. Need to clean it up. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this part. I was thinking about maybe painting it gray. It's pretty scratched up. It's pretty beat up. But I kind of like the pattern that's on there now, the brown and whatever. But definitely want to paint this, clean it up, make it look all shiny and pretty. And I'm thinking about putting some of my old race harnesses for seatbelts inside. I got this one here. I think we used this one of the race cars already. But this red one looks brand new. I don't think we ever used it. So, yeah, I'm going to see if I can fit those. Take out the old ones. And then put these in. It should just be able to unbolt this, and then I can put those in. What's kind of cool is this car has these shoulder belts, which you can just connect, just clip them into the regular seat belts. It's like an option, I guess, if you want to use it or not. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if I could adapt my racing belts for this. I don't think so, but yeah, I'm gonna try and I'll pull these out and then put the racing belts in there. It should just be bolts. It's just come right out. Yeah, it's just a bolt right there. So I think that's what I'm gonna work on today. I still need to get under the dash, fix the wiring. It's a whole mess, but I think that's what I'm gonna do today is see how I get these racing belts in there. Maybe paint that sucker, clean it up, and yeah, go from there. Alright, so I just removed that seatbelt harness on this side over here. So, just a bolt. Just gotta unscrew it. It's probably 3/4, but I'm using 13/16. Because I can't find my 3/4. And then there's another bolt right there. So it should be pretty simple, straightforward. Just take those out and then put the racing harnesses belts in there, and should be good to go. Alright, so I got the 2 bolts out on the passenger side. So now I'm going to put the other side of the harness in. The bolts are pretty tight. Actually, I had to get a little extender for my wrench so I get some more torque on it to get the bolts out. But yeah, it's coming along smooth. Alright, so the racing seat belts are installed. It wasn't too hard. It's that little struggle getting the bolts out, but yeah, racing seat belt harnesses are in. Yep, and I kind of like that they're not matching colors. Kind of red, white, and blue thing going on here. So, yep, and still with the shoulder belt, you can still, because of the way the clip is, you can still clip that in to here and use it if you want to. So there you go, guys. Boom. Now I just gotta fix that fucking mess under there. Hey, if you guys are fixing up your ride, then fix up this ride as well. That's why I use Massive Supplements. I use their superfoods to get healthy. And so if you guys want to help support this channel, a little bit of change in my pocket, go to MassiveSupplements.com and use code PREPPER15 to get 15% off your order. And I'll put a link below. Appreciate it. So if anybody is out there in the market for original 1970 Javelin seat belts, these are in pretty decent shape, not bad. Got a little bit of smeckle going on there, but in pretty good shape. Clean them up. And I still do have a rear bumper that I'm not using, and I still also have hubcaps AMC Javelin hubcap. So if anybody's interested in these items, message me down below and I'll get back to you. Alright. Getting there, guys. We're getting there. Oh, and then check this out. I found a bunch of stickers. Oh my god. Like a whole bunch. Left over from my racing days. Like I found like a whole bag of them. Didn't know I had them. I got a bunch. Got a bunch in here. All kinds of stickers. All kinds of stickers in here. Like a gazillion stickers. Like, oh my god. So, because I'm feeling nostalgic for my old racing days and kind of making this kind of like a race car now that I got the belts in there, I think I'm going to put some of these stickers on the side here. Kind of like that, but not so many. But like I said, this is a resto mod, so I'm kind of making it kind of like a little bit of a race car. So that's where I'm at. Alright, so now with my list, I can check off. So I got mechanical and cosmetic stuff. Seatbelts might have been a little bit of both. So now I can cross that off my list. Boom.